Looking for a half-ton pickup that looks good, works like a mule, and offers cutting-edge industry innovations? Say no more. We have the right truck for you. While you will have to hang around for a few more months until it's released, here are 8 reasons why you should wait for the 2025 GMC Sierra 1500. Number 8. V8 engines. A rarity in half-ton trucks. Toyota dropped their V8 for a twin-turbo V6. It's a modern trend, but it didn't work well for the Japanese truck maker since nearly 100,000 Tundras were recalled due to engine failures. GM isn't jumping on this bandwagon and sticks to reliable 8-cylinder units. The 2025 GMC Sierra 1500 will use a 2.7L Turbomax inline-4 as its base configuration, but serious truckers won't consider this powertrain. Instead, they'll pick either the 5.3L or 6.2L engines. The smaller one produces 355 horsepower and 383 lb-ft of torque, making the truck more capable of towing and hauling. But if you want to maximize the potential of the 2025 Sierra, the 6.2L engine steps in with 420 horsepower and 460 lb-ft of torque. This technology shuts down cylinders when the pickup doesn't require much power, such as during mixed city and highway driving. Dynamic Fuel Management (DFM) allows the truck to run on anywhere from 2 to 8 cylinders, depending on the power needed. A 10-speed automatic transmission works perfectly with either V8 engine, offering precise and quick shifting. The gearbox also enhances fuel economy, although that's not the strong side of these big units. Number 7. Diesel engine. GM twins. The GMC Sierra and Chevrolet Silverado will still offer the Duramax diesel engine, taking a different path than their rivals. Ford and Ram's half-ton trucks discontinued their diesel options shortly after their introduction, but the Sierra will benefit from the advantages offered by the 3.0L turbo diesel. The turbo diesel will be offered on the 2025 Sierra and probably beyond, thanks to advanced emission control technology that cuts down pollution and ensures the powertrain meets the latest regulations. Number 6. Hauling and towing innovations. The 2025 GMC Sierra 1500 will achieve a towing capacity of 14,000 pounds and boost its payload to over 2,300 pounds. This is crucial since many buyers choose trucks for their towing and hauling capabilities. To make it even more convenient, General Motors includes some innovative features. First, there's the ProGrade trailering system, which offers trailer light sequencing to inform drivers if all the lights are working properly. Tire pressure monitoring improves safety by alerting drivers if any tire is underinflated. The trailering app lets you control the trailer from the cabin of the Sierra truck. Another feature enhancing the working experience is the Multi-Pro tailgate with 6 different functions. This tailgate can serve as a load stop to prevent cargo from sliding out, a step for easier access to the bed, an inner gate load stop to separate items inside the box, or even a workstation with power outlets. You can fold the inner gate to make access to the bed easier or transform the tailgate into a party station, thanks to an integrated kicker audio system. That's not all. The Max trailering package adds a heavy-duty rear axle, advanced cooling system, and integrated trailer brake controller. Not only are you getting 14,000 pounds of towing capacity, but the Sierra offers exceptional stability when hauling heavy loads. Finally, hitch guidance with a rear-view camera simplifies connecting the truck to the trailer. Number 5. Fresh styling. The new Silverado is redesigned, as are some other big rigs in the family, so it's not unrealistic to expect a refresh for the 2025 GMC Sierra 1500. Although the company is yet to confirm it, the truck will get a bold and modern design that'll make it eye-catching on the road. The facelift will focus on the grille and front fascia, with different models featuring distinct styles, new colors, wheel designs, and additional packages for customization are also expected. The special Multi-Pro tailgate and other mentioned features enhance practicality and overall appearance, but every line and curve on the Sierra adds to its functionality and rugged styling. Take the LED lights. For example, they not only boost visibility and safety but also make the Sierra 1500 more glamorous. The cabin is already more upscale compared to other trucks, and the new Sierra will lure buyers with high-quality materials, unique finishes, and driver-focused accessories. The top-of-the-line Denali model is a premium truck, likely the most luxurious option in the half-ton segment, though even the AT4 and AT4X models, which focus on enhancing off-road experiences, aren't far behind. Number 4. Supreme Tech. We've only scratched the surface by mentioning the quality of interior materials. What really makes the new GMC Sierra special is its technology. Some configurations offer up to 14 external camera views, ensuring nothing goes undetected. Whether you're off-roading, trailering, loading the bed, or maneuvering in tight parking spots, at the center of this command hub is a large 12.3-inch display, with higher grades offering a 17-inch screen. The infotainment system is highly intuitive and user-friendly. Of course, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard for easy integration of smart devices, but you'll find these features in other trucks as well. What sets the 2025 Sierra apart is its huge 15-inch heads-up display, HUD. While not all versions are getting the HUD, where it's available, this accessory will surely draw attention. The display provides essential information, including speed, navigation, and safety alerts, directly in the driver's line of sight. The safety suite is packed with important features, such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and forward collision alert. Automatic emergency braking and rear cross-traffic alert are optional upgrades. Best of all is the 2025 Sierra's Super Cruise hands-free driving system, which, without a doubt, combines data from cameras, sensors, radars, and GPS tracking ease long drives by enabling autonomous drive. The new Sierra is packed with premium materials and advanced tech, but when there's not enough room inside the cabin, it doesn't make too much sense. Well, owners of GMC's truck don't have such concerns because the interior is not only spacious but also functional. Featuring versatile seat folding options and underseat storage compartments, the combination of high-quality materials, the latest gadgets, and a spacious cabin puts the 2025 Sierra 1500 above the competition. You can make it even cozier by picking upgrades or selecting optional features like heated, ventilated, and massage seats, wood accents, or multiple-zone climate control. Not only do the under-seat boxes in the back provide extra space for storing items, but the central console is large enough to take in laptops. Also, let's not forget door pockets, which add extra practicality and convenience. For off-road enthusiasts who feel their truck is overshadowed by the hype surrounding other off-road pickups, the Sierra 84 and 84X offer a smoother ride during rock crawling or mud forging. Both packages come standard with 4x4 drive, hill descent control, and a revisited off-road drive mode that maximizes traction on the most difficult terrain. Not only that, but the 84 and 84X also feature red tow hooks and special badges inside. Off-road trims offer a premium feel with leather seats and all-weather floor mats that rival the Denali model. The SI84 is a popular model for customization enthusiasts who add rock sliders, off-road lighting, and special bumpers that can fit winches. The Denali and Denali Ultimate models represent the pinnacle of luxury, not only in the truck's lineup but also the entire half-ton pickup class. Aluminum accents, open-pore wood details, embroidered logos, and other similar features elevate the premium feeling to a totally new level. The Denali Ultimate costs more than $100,000, but you are getting high-end options like massaging seats, a panoramic sunroof, and the most advanced Bose audio system. The Carbon Pro bed also extends the truck's lifespan, adding to its durability. The Denali and Denali Ultimate models are designed for those with deep pockets, but anyone who experiences this blend of practicality and luxury will find it hard to consider other pickups. All the top-notch features we've mentioned are part of the Denali package, making it a standout choice for those seeking the finest in style and the ultimate in capability.